you have like a x, and let's say you have two values, let's call it a and minus a, and they're opposite, we can convert that into absolute value of a is less than a. So you have to think about, well, what can I add or subtract to all three sides so these two values become opposite integers? Okay, so if you visualize what k is 50 to 51. It's all the values in between. So you have to think of it as, well, what is the middle value here? That's 50.0, right? 50.5, sorry. So let's see what happens if I subtract all three sides by 50.5. You get minus 0.5. And here is 0.5. Look, opposite integers, right? Or opposite values. So now I can say x minus 50.5, absolute value of that has to be less than or equal to 0.5.